Hey everyone, welcome back to some more Daily Rain Nonograms. It is, excuse me, it is May 10. Um, it is currently 7 a.m. Yeah. I'm doing this really late, or depending how you think about it, really early because I was just too sleepy last night. I had a pretty long day. Uh, but yeah, so I wanted to wake up early to get to do this because the cutoff point is 8 a.m. like in an hour from now. So, yeah, that's why I'm doing this at this time. So, let's hope that this fares well. And like, what the hell? Look at the start, right? Come on. It's very, it's pretty possible that um the day runs by pretty smoothly. So, if that can happen, I'd be I'd be down for it. I'll be completely down for that. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy me trying to just play my best game. All right. Um. So let's start. This is five, 4, 6. Uh huh. Nothing. 5, 3, 5. That's 1. 6, 3. 5, 2, 4. Wait, what? Oh my god, I'm wrong already. No, start over. Sorry about that. Let me just retry that. I did just wake up, so if you guys will excuse me, if you guys will accept that as an excuse, I did like freshly just wake up. So yeah. 10, 2, 1. Let's take this row by row. Let's not like rush ourselves here. It's 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 10, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Then 8, 2, 3, 5. That's done. Okay. This is a 6, this is a 3, 6 minus 2, 5, 2, 4. So something like that. 3, that's 2. This is an 8. That doesn't reach, right? Yep. And that's the 4. This is an 8. That's a 1. I'm there. 7, 4, 7, 4, 5. Nothing here. 5, 2, 7, 7. Nothing here. This is a 5. I mean, there's a 15. That's a 10. 5, 3, 5. Wait, no. Sorry, that's the 5. This is the 6. That's where I went wrong earlier. 5, 6. We just cut this off. 4, 6. Oh, 4 and 6. Right? Okay. Let's do. Let me extend this 18. Yeah, like that. That's 3, 4, 10, 1, 1, 1. 4, 15, 1. Okay, nice. Now what? Now what? 11, and then minus 6, 5, 8, 3, 3. 2, 11, 2, 11, yeah, 2, 11 minus 4, 2, 6, 3, 6, no, 4, 1, 3, 7, so there's at least a 3, that's a 5. Now what? Oh, nothing here. So 7 and 4, 2, 1. Okay, that's good. What now? Alright, sorry about that. Let's continue. Okay, where were we? This one, right? Wait, I'm lost. Where were we? Let's try and do this one. 8 minus 6, 2, 3, 5, 5. That's good. 4, 5. Nothing there. 6, 1, then 7. This is a 2, 4, 8. Yeah. This 11 only up to there. 7 minus 2, nothing. That's 4, nothing. That's 4. That's 3. My brain's not working all that fast right now. Can't do that. So 2, 1, and then 2. Yeah, that makes sense. 2, 1, 5, 1. So we can limit this here. That's 3. What now? We can extend this 11 minus 3. Oh wait, this is part of the 11 actually. So cut that. Yeah. 1, 3, 2, 7, 3, 3, 6. This has to be a 4, right? Yeah. 4, 1, 3. 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 3. It's 5. 1, 5, 1. That's 1. Cool. Good. Man, I definitely be. We should have done this last night. I would have been way faster. My brain's not be working well right now. 11, 1, 1, 8. One, 4. That should be good. 3, 3. That's good. That's good. That's 3. That's 3. This is a 5. Yeah. That's 2. 4, 3, 3, 5. 4137. Okay. 438 like that. We can extend this 10. 5, 11, 1, 9, 2, 10, 3, 9. Damn, dude, this is a really good puzzle. If I did this last night, this might have been this might have been a contender for like a really fast time, or maybe even like the record. Not gonna lie, it was because this is really good. Uh huh. 115, then 2, it's 2, and then 1. Yeah. 3, 6, 5, 6. Five minus 1. Nothing here. Nothing here. So that's a 7. Uh-huh. 5. And 7 up to there. 1. And then 4. So that's 3. That's 2. That's good. That's good. Wow, yeah, this definitely could have been like a contender for the record. But too bad you get me right now. Excuse me. Yeah, definitely like record worthy. Right now my brain is just way too slow. This 4 is over here, right? So wait. Crap, I can't think. 4141. That's a 4 over there. Minus 2. It's 3. Yeah, 4, 4. Like this. What now? That's the 4 over there. So this is the 2. That's a 4. This should be this should be 1, 3, 2, 3, like that, right? Yeah. Yeah. Good. And then 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2. Nice. Mm-hmm. 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. Yup. 115, right? Like that, like that, and then 7, and then 142, 156. And this should be the last. Done. Okay, 15:23. Yeah, still a very nice time, but this could have definitely been record worthy if I played at like a time that my brain was actually functioning. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. That's fine. Can't be too mad about it. Anyway, um, I'll decide if it's 7:30 right now. I'll decide if I wanna. What's this? I'll decide if I wanna do the make 10 plus in like 30 minutes or something. I don't know. Maybe if I feel more awake. Anyway, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.